Hello, welcome to the D4 Guns YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Smith & Wesson 25-5 in .45 Colt, and also equipped with a Magna lock. This revolver is in immaculate condition. It also has a ported barrel. Other than maybe some very minor scratches, which I don't even see here, this thing is in near perfect condition. There is a stamp underneath the grip that indicates that this revolver was manufactured in 1984. The real reason we're taking a look at this revolver is not just to see its condition, but it has a very unique trigger system called a Magna Trigger. So as you can see, when I pull back the hammer, I cannot pull it back, and the double action does not work. However, when I put on one of these rings with a magnet on it, it will cock, it will fire, and works in double action. But as soon as the magnet is away, it doesn't work. It has equipped what is called a Magna Trigger. These were popular in the 1980s as a way for cops to kind of prevent criminals from being able to pull their gun and use it against them. But once the police department switched to semi-automatic handguns, these went to the wayside. We're going to take the grips off, and we're going to take a quick look at the system underneath and how this works. So as you can see down here, there's a pin that kind of blocks from being able to pull the trigger back. But as soon as you take one of the Magna rings, it turns it to the side, and then you can fire. This replaces the front strap of the frame and makes for a very unique and very collectible addition to any revolver. This is one of the more interesting things we've gotten into the D4 Guns vault, and we wanted to take a closer look and show it off. You can find it on our website. If you have any questions, you can find our email on our website, and if you're interested in the revolver, it will be there for a limited amount of time to take a closer look with still photos. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.